Everybody, hope you're doing well. Look on the screen. I'm going to play this quick video. Please stick around for part B because I got to drop some information for you. If you're a homeowner facing this, there's something else that you're going to see. The other shoe is about to drop. Let's take a look at this video, then I'll tell you what I'm talking about. It is a must-see. Most people have no idea. Okay? This is going to be part A. You think this is bad? Well, I got some update for you. Let's go ahead and check out this video, part A. Then please stick around for part B, which will be a separate video for the commentary.
Wake-up call for thousands of Floridians whose homes and valuables were badly damaged during Hurricane Debbie. New data shows Citizens, Florida's insurer of last resort, denied 77% of homeowners' claims. News4JAX anchor Tarek Miners here now to explain why. Tarek?
Well, a spokesperson for Citizens tells News4JAX they aren't the only insurance companies denying the majority of claims from Hurricane Debbie. Almost all of the homeowners who were denied have one thing in common. It was the first of two major hurricanes to hit Florida back-to-back within a 2-week period. Hurricane Debbie is estimated to be responsible for $1.4 billion in damage, including $845 million from wind damage, $130 million from storm surge, and $440 million in damage from inland flooding, according to data experts with Karen Clark and Company. Stake-backed property insurance company Citizens confirms to News4JAX they denied 77% of the insurance claims that they received because those claims were for flood damage, something Citizens does not cover.
Florida property insurance policies, whether it's a home, condo, or renter's policy, clearly define that flood coverage is excluded, and you must have separate coverage through either the National Flood Insurance Program or a private flood insurer.
Mark Friedlander, who's the spokesman for the Insurance Information Institute, suggests Floridians purchase private flood insurance. A spokesperson for Citizens saying this about the claim denials. Debbie was largely a flood event for us. Citizens, like most other insurers, doesn't cover flood. As the state's insurer of last resort, Citizens covers policies in most flood-prone areas of the state. A higher denial rate makes sense. Adding FEMA requires a denial of coverage before offering assistance. In fact, we encouraged policyholders to file flood claims even if they knew they would be denied so they could get the ball rolling with FEMA and get the help they needed. Friedlander says while FEMA does help thousands of flood victims, he doesn't suggest you assume the government will pay all of the damage costs.
Don't assume FEMA is going to cover your loss. You could apply for a grant. You may get accepted for that. You may not. But a FEMA grant is not a replacement for insurance. It will help you on the road to recovery, give you and your family some emergency funds, such as temporary living and other needs that you immediately have access to. It's not an insurance payment.
Across all Florida insurers as of September 27th, 51% of all residential claims made in relation to Debbie were closed without a payment. That data, according to Newsweek magazine.
Okay, everybody, you saw part A. Stick around, part B, the commentary. I gotta tell you what some people are planning in Florida. And I'm sorry, I gotta give it an update. What's gonna happen with this plan? They think they have a plan. The other shoe is about to drop. See you in part B.